Hello, my name is Ken Oliveira, and I'm the chair of the biology department at UMass Dartmouth. I'd like to share a couple of the highlights of the program for you today and giving you some contact information as well for future questions. So to begin with, the biology major will result in a Bachelor of Science degree in biology. Now, the program actually consists of 2 years of foundational courses. This is the biology core. This is chemistry, physics, biology, and math. A 2-year rigorous program that lays down the foundational courses needed for advanced studies in biology or any science for that matter. Now, at the end of that 2-year core, students have the opportunity to then specialize in an area of interest. Now, the biology program has set up these areas of interest as concentrations, so a student can get their degree in biology, but also get a concentration in one of these 5 areas. So conservation biology, cell and molecular, ecology and evolution, marine biology, or just general biology if no other concentration seems to be a good fit for you. So someone thinking about a career in biotechnology would most likely focus their upper division classes in the cell molecular biology area. Obviously, someone who's thinking about something in the marine science, the marine side of things, will go the marine biology route. But a student thinking of med school or just not sure what they want to do could easily just stay in a general biology track, and you'll get to the point you need to be at in terms of your studies. So the concentrations do allow for some specialization, and allow students to emphasize areas of interest that they tend to do better in. Now, another area that I'd like to bring your attention to are the laboratories at UMass Dartmouth. They are small lab sections, 20 students being the absolute maximum, and many labs running much lower with as few as 16 or 14 students, depending on the particular topic. Now, these allow for much more hands-on experience for the students and much greater student-instructor interaction. This image here is actually one of our labs, which is about to be refurbished, but you can actually see a typical lab set up with the instruction and how small it would be compared to large lecture halls. And going a little further into those laboratories, again, there's excellent opportunities at UMass Dartmouth to take laboratory courses, and student can take 2 or more per semester for their entire time at UMass Dartmouth if they wish. So there's plenty of opportunity to take laboratory courses. And again, I can't emphasize enough how important these are to getting the hands-on experience that's necessary for, again, future career and graduate program competitiveness. The UMass Dartmouth campus is an incredible living laboratory. Many of our laboratories can use courses can use the campus as a laboratory. So from the botany class you see here to the general ecology class, there's a lot of area on campus that can be used for multiple topics, and we make very good use of them throughout the year. And also, the UMass Dartmouth campus being so close to the coast, we can really take advantage of that for marine courses and just conservation courses, anything that requires some access to the ocean. A short 15-minute drive and we're at the beach, and you can see 2 classes that take advantage of that here. The biology of invertebrates class, which runs in the fall, as well as the biology of fishes, which takes advantage of the nice weather in the fall to actually go out and collect samples during the months of the year before it gets too cold. Now, there are another unique teaching opportunities at UMass Dartmouth, and these are the fact that we have these summer field-based courses in microbiology. So these alternate between trips to Colombia and Iceland, alternating years. These are summer field-based courses where the students actually travel to these locations. They work with students from around the world for a week in a laboratory and develop topics in microbiology and get some great field experience as well as some nice social interactions during this time. So it's a very nice advantage, an optional program that runs in the summers. And I think probably one of the really most interesting aspects of the program is we have a lot of research active faculty, which presents a lot of diverse research opportunities for our students. And you can go online, you can look at the listing of the faculty and see their areas of interest. And those go well beyond those concentrations. And here you have a few examples of some of the areas where students do research. An extremely diverse faculty and a very diverse array of potential projects. And again, it's these projects which define a student when they leave the university and help with graduate school opportunities, as well as competitiveness for employment opportunities as well. So getting opportunities to do research are very important, and we have a great diversity of research opportunities at this campus. Some of them stem from just working with biology faculty on projects, and you see a couple of examples here of some field-based projects, students working with faculty to for particular research purposes. But there's many opportunities for this independent research, for students to actually design a project, conduct it, and write it up and analyze it at the end. And we see this ranges from the molecular cell biology laboratories, microbiology, right through to the marine biology and the ecology labs. So there's a lot of opportunities for independent research as well. And actually, community-based research. A nice example is our Bee Lab here on campus that works with local community groups to work on pollinators. And we see a lot of conservation-based community research that goes on, and students have a chance to interact with this, which again adds a great research component to anyone's resume. Now, these projects are serious projects, and students at the end have many opportunities to present them. We see that some students present them at regional, national, and even international meetings. We've had students go to and present the results of their research, and some students, if the project comes out well enough, will actually publish their work. And we've had several students become a part of peer-reviewed publications in the past. So again, this is really a nice opportunity for students that UMass Dartmouth provides, the biology program, for students to have an avenue to do research, which again helps with life after you get your Bachelor of Science degree. Students who wish to go on to graduate school or straight into employment opportunities, having that research under your belt can really make the difference and be the very important aspect in getting the position you wish. So I'd like to, again, thank you for your interest in the biology program and welcome you to the biology department. I will close with some contact information. Please feel free to contact the department. You have my email here, as well as my office phone number to call or email. We will gladly set up a Zoom meeting if it's required. If you need more information, if it's a simple email, by all means, feel free to do that, or a telephone call. We'd love to answer questions about the biology program. Thank you.